Hey girls, it's me, Brandi. I'm hopping on. I'm doing the quickest little video about the crazy with the hooded eye. Okay, you guys know. You know all the feelings. You know the raccoon eyes, the smudgy makeup and eyeliner. And 3 hours later, like your eyeshadow is just like everywhere. Even if you use those primers and like all those sprays and stuff like that, like the problem persists. You guys, I'm here for you. I'm here for solutions for you. You guys, I literally I worked in the hair salon. I've told you guys this story a million times because, you know, I'm the lash queen. I went into the makeup store over and over again. I would get makeup artists. I would have them do my eye makeup, and I just would leave there and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like what's happening to me? I look like I've been beat. I look so tired. I look literally 3 hours later, everything was right here. My eyes are already dark the way it is. I have, you know, some dark pigments, some red pigments on my skin. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I needed a solution. I need a solution now. Because I love to look put together. It's not about like being this most beautiful woman ever. It's just, I love clothes. I love hair. I also love makeup, but I couldn't figure out the makeup. I couldn't figure out the makeup for me. I even had a friend that was like a makeup artist, and like when she would do my eye makeup, I'm like, oh my God, I hate this. Like, I hate eyeshadow. I hate eyeliner. I need help. So here's another thing just for you to kind of like ponder on if you're a hooded eye girl. So just to know, a hooded eye is when basically you don't have like this kind of eyelid. Like you can see all your shadows. You guys see I have overlapping skin. I'm 37 and this problem was going on in my 20s. So it doesn't even really matter how old you are. If you have a hooded eye, you just have a hooded eye. And I'm here to give you hope. I'm here to let you know that if you have a hooded eye, you can get this figured out. We can do the most flattering things for you. There's a ton of flattering things for a hooded eye, and that's what I'm here for. So if you're in this category, make sure you click subscribe. Help me out, girlfriend. Help the algorithm out, because hooded eye girls, the solutions are being hidden from you, because when you type in hooded eye, you all are clicking the same video. So you got to click subscribe so YouTube knows that you want this information. So today I'm actually going to be doing how to do a cat eye with a hooded eye queen. Okay, so let's go over another secret that nobody's telling you about with hooded eyes. Pictures. Pictures, pictures, pictures. Nobody wants you to know, and it's a secret from makeup artists and people that take beautiful, glamorous pictures, which I'm going to make a video about this because I have a ton of comments that I will show on this video to back up what I'm saying. How should I do my makeup for photo shoots? Okay, girls, your solution is lashes. Every problem that a hooded eye girl has, lashes is your solution. I promise you, there's a million different looks that we can do. That's what I'm here for. Click subscribe because we're going to be going over more stuff. I'm going to keep this video really short and sweet today. We're going to do the cat eye on a hooded eye. This is one of my favorite looks, and it's awesome for pictures. I like daily lashes. I wear lashes every single day because I love looking put together every single day. I love YouTube. I'm just coming over to TikTok. So if you could click down below, if you're watching this, go share some love over on TikTok. These videos are really short on TikTok. I'm still mastering that skill, but I'll figure it out. Just like I figured out the hooded eye, and then I'll share with you how to do it. Okay, guys? Okay. So, I'm going to jump right in. We're going to put on, some liquid eyeliner. Here's a top hack. Here's a top secret. Listen, hooded eye ladies need to be using a liquid liner. Stop using those weird soft liners. I'm not kidding you. They are not for you. I used to do this for years, you guys, and I am like one of those people where products like affect my eyes. It doesn't even matter if it's like vegan and all these other things. Okay. I am a person that touches my eyes all the time. I literally didn't get lash extensions before because the lady was like, you can't itch your eyes. She's like, if you itch your eyes, all of the eyelashes will fall off. And I'm like, this is never going to work. Like, I wear contact lenses. Like, I'm constantly like going like this. I don't recommend that you like be going like this with your eyeliner on, but just stop buying the weird, soft, smudgy eyeliner. If you have hooded eyes or you have problems with raccoon eyes, that's a very, very bad choice. So let's get into the application. You guys, we can rant and go on and on about hooded eyes and raccoon eyes all day, but I have solutions, and let's do one of them today. Let's do a cat eye on a hooded eye. You guys need liquid liner. Ditch the soft liners for good. Quit depending on setting spray to keep your makeup on your eyeball. It's not going to work. It's not a long-term solution. I know that all these setting spray and these makeup artists, they're going to get really mad at me for saying it. It just doesn't work in the long time. On the long term, hooded eyes do not, they're not a great fit for all the shadows, for the shadowy looks, but hooded eyes look so good with lashes on. Okay, let's go. I'll quit complaining and let's do a lash together. You need a really great liquid liner. I have mine below in the description that I use. It does take a steady hand and it does take practice just like anything else. But you guys, it's worth the time and the effort to get it figured out for a hooded eye. Get the liquid liner that dries really, really fast. I'm going to share the one that I sell in the description, but there's another really great one that I use that is from the drugstore. Drugstore makeup is trending on YouTube, and that is the Maybelline New York Hyper Easy. So you can run up to Walgreens and get it today. I'm going to be using the one that I sell because that just makes sense on the business end. Okay, let's go in and start. I just quickly, I try to use as least amount of strokes that I possibly can. This one actually has more black in it, and I just gently bring that up. It does take somewhat of a steady hand, but if you have a really nice pen, it works. I really like the hooded eye or the cat eye for the hooded eye, and I'll kind of go into and explain why. So you guys can see I'm gently coloring that lift in, and I'm painting that in. Okay, so you guys can see from far away the lift that I'm creating with that line. The lash is really going to make it pop. So let's just focus on doing the other eye. I'm going to go into, I do start on this corner and work out because I want this to be a smaller line, and I build up on the line for the cat eye. You need a really nice liquid liner. Okay, I'm going to go in and just kind of keep filling in. Okay, I'm happy with that because, like I said, any imperfections there, I'm not going to worry too much about, and I don't think you should either. And we're going to put on these lashes. These are Ardell 811s. These are the cat eye. You guys, if you guys can see, the cat eye is a graduated look, so it goes from short to long. And the cat eye is so awesome for hooded eyes because it lifts this corner. It lifts it beautifully. It just gives you this very kind of exotic look. But one thing I wanted to go over with you guys right away is I'm removing the lash, and I'm going to go ahead and trim the lash down. So you guys can kind of see, like, this is like a huge pet peeve of mine, and I'm going to cover it on this video. And I should probably make a short over it too, because it will reach a lot of people. I hate it when people don't trim their eyelashes. Like, it's kind of like a little pet peeve, and I can see it right away when people don't trim their eyelashes. Everybody honestly should be trimming their eyelashes. Very few people have this massive of an eye. Some of you guys do, because the Flutter Habit lashes are absolutely huge, and tons of you guys are like, I have huge eyes, Brandi, because I wear Flutter Habit, so I have to laugh about that. And I do laugh every time you guys write that, because I'm like, my eye is nowhere near this big, and you guys are like, mine is. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this with my scissors. I'm going to trim on both ends just because it's really long, so it's just gonna look more, because I want to keep that graduated look. So I'm going to go in, I trimmed it on both ends, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my glue. I'm gonna trim and apply glue on both of them. One of the hacks that mistake people make with their lash strips is they don't let the glue set up. they brush the glue on right away, and then they go ahead and stick the glue and smudge it on already. And that causes you guys a lot of problems. So I would trim, apply glue to the strip lash, set the lash down, do the other lash, get it all prepared, trim it, put the glue on it, set that one down, come right over and pop this one on. That's the little routine that I would use for strip lashes, you guys. Make sure you're trimming your strip lashes. Every person should be trimming. Every person should be trimming their strip lashes. These are Ardell's 811. Ardell's are trending on YouTube right now too, so people really like Ardell. I did order mine from Amazon. I'm setting that right on there. It's just instant. You guys can see the instant cat eye. It's beautiful on a hooded eye. It gives me like this very, it gives me this really definition with my eyes. It gives me this really clean, beautiful look. I personally love a cat eye on a hooded eye. It's a great choice for you guys. Yes, you guys, everything that I did does take practice, but I just kind of wanted to show you how much everything with beauty and your routines, you guys, it all makes sense, or it all adds up, and it's worth your time to learn how to do. You guys, I hope this helped. You guys can see my look. I will show the look in my thumbnail also, so you guys can see my before and after. I just kind of want to show you guys from far away because like I told you before, it makes all the difference for your pictures. If you're doing family pictures, any of that, it's just the number one thing that it makes such a difference with, you know, even when you see people on Instagram, even when you see pictures that you're just like, oh, she looks great. You guys, it's the lashes. The lashes like sets you apart just in a different category. I just want you to learn and master them. All different kinds. Strip lashes, that's where I personally started, and obviously now I wear do-it-yourself eyelashes every single day. But don't get it twisted. This is a very leveled up look. This is the cat eye. This is a great solution for the hooded eye. Make sure you click subscribe. Good to see you, ladies. Bye.